Making a professional presentation normally takes a lot of time. You have to plan the content, design the slides, add visuals, and organize everything properly. And honestly, it can get stressful really fast. But imagine if an AI could handle most of that work for you in just a few minutes. In today's video, I'll show you an amazing AI presentation tool called Pi. It can turn a simple prompt into a polished presentation, generate content automatically, help with research, and even structure your ideas in a smart way. Whether you're creating presentations for school, business, YouTube, or client work, this tool can save you hours of effort. So let's jump in and see how it works. After signing in, you'll land on the main dashboard. The interface looks modern, clean, and very beginner-friendly, so you can start creating presentations right away without any complicated setup. Here, you'll find all the main AI features neatly organized in one dashboard. The most powerful one is Agent Mode. This is where the AI can build an entire presentation for you based on just a simple prompt or topic idea. There's also a quick create option for generating presentations much faster with minimal input. You can even use the built-in AI image tools to create unique visuals and graphics for your slides instantly. And whenever you need help, the integrated AI assistant is always available to guide you through the process. The best part is how simple everything feels. You don't need design experience or advanced editing skills. Just enter your idea, and the platform takes care of the heavy work for you. Now, let's test it out and create a presentation from scratch. First, I'm opening Agent Mode, and honestly, this is where the platform becomes really impressive. All you have to do is type your presentation topic here. If you want, you can also provide extra instructions like the presentation style, target audience, tone, or any custom requirements. But even a short prompt works surprisingly well. You can choose your preferred language, set the number of slides manually, or simply allow the AI to generate everything automatically. For this demo, I'll select a few slides and click Generate. As soon as you submit your topic, the AI begins building the presentation automatically. It creates the structure, writes the content, and organizes everything slide by slide for you. After that, you'll reach the Design Selection section. This is where you can choose the overall look and style of your presentation. There are plenty of themes available, from clean business layouts to more modern and creative styles. I'll pick this design for now, and then click on Generate Presentation, and within a few moments, the complete presentation is ready. On the left side, you can see all the generated slides. Each one comes with a proper layout, organized content, and professional-looking visuals. Honestly, creating something like this manually would normally take a very long time, especially if you're starting from scratch. But with AI handling most of the process, everything gets done incredibly fast. One thing I really like is that the presentation is fully editable. You can click on any text box to rewrite or adjust the content, change colors and themes, modify layouts, or customize the slides however you want. So even if the AI creates the first version automatically, you still have full control over the final result. And the interface is simple enough that anyone can use it, even without design experience. Now let's check out the AI image generation feature. I'll open the AI image section, and this takes us to the image creation workspace. From here, you can select different AI models depending on the style you want. For this example, I'll choose the Nano Banana model. Now I just need to describe the image I want to create. You can also experiment with different art styles like realistic, cinematic, anime, watercolor, and more. I'll keep the settings simple for this demo. You can also choose the image format and aspect ratio from here. Now let's generate the image, and within a few seconds, the AI creates a completely unique visual based on the prompt. And the results actually look really impressive. The image quality, lighting, and overall detail come out surprisingly well, especially considering everything is generated in just a few seconds. This is extremely useful for creating custom graphics for presentations, social media posts, thumbnails, or any creative project. What makes it even better is that you don't have to switch between different platforms. Everything, from presentation creation to image generation, is built into the same workspace. Now let's explore another feature that's genuinely useful for productivity. I'm opening AI Drive, and this basically works like a smart file management system powered by AI. You can upload documents here, such as PDFs, presentations, notes, or other files. And the AI is able to analyze and understand the content inside them. So instead of reading through long documents manually, you can quickly get summaries, important points, or useful insights instantly. It also keeps all your files organized in one place, making it much easier to manage projects and workflows. And because everything is cloud-based, you can access your work from different devices whenever you need it. If you regularly work with presentations, research, client projects, or content creation, this feature can save a huge amount of time. So overall, this platform combines presentation creation, AI image generation, and smart file management into one complete workspace. It makes the entire process faster, simpler, and much more convenient, especially for creators, students, freelancers, and professionals. If you want to test it yourself, you can check out pi.inc using the link in the description below. Try it out and see how much time it can save in your daily workflow. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.